Hello, my good people. Greetings from the village side in Kenya. Welcome to the Great Asnet channel. Today, I'm going to show you how we use sawdust to cook in the village. Yes. All right, first thing, this sawdust has its special jiko or stove. Yes, for those who don't know. Okay, this is the jiko itself. As you can see, it's special. It is all vacuum and it has two openings. Yes, the small hole you are seeing, and then the large one here on top where the lid goes. Yes, and the lid also has a bigger opening where the saucepan sit on. Yes. So this is how we do it. You take your sawdust, you start putting inside the jiko or the stove, then you heat it with another rod. So you put as you heat with another rod so that it can stuck together. Yes. So that it can stuck together. And the rods that are inside here, the one you're seeing straight and the other one lying down there, they are the ones to put hole inside this sawdust so that we will have oxygen, enough oxygen to come in to make sure this sawdust lights well or produces the flame to cook. Yes. So this jiko or this stove normally comes in different sizes. Yes, you can have bigger sizes, you can have small sizes. So the bigger sizes, they come with chimney so that you cannot do the way we are doing it. We put the log inside this to give a hole for ventilation. So when it comes with the chimney, there is no need of this. But for the small ones, you have to do it manual. Yes, like the way we are doing it. Cause the bigger ones are for the commercial or for functions. Yes. All right, I'll tell you the reason why you heat this sawdust as you put it inside the sawdust jiko. It is because to ensure this sawdust stacks together. While it is stuck together, it gives it more time to continue cooking. Yes, for long time without without going off, without the fire going off. That's why you keep on uh, stacking them together. Yes. But this process, you get to use a lot of sawdust, but it is worthy. It takes long for it to go off. And while this goes off, it is over. You have to start the process again from scratch because there's no way you can interrupt in the middle to put in more sawdust. There's nothing like that because this jiko will be hot. So you have to dismantle everything, you let it cool down, then you start again the process. That is how it is. Welcome to the village. Yes, right now it is 8 p.m. in the evening. I chose to do this at this time because this is when I will get Ezekiel around because it is weekdays and it is school. So Ezekiel in the morning, very early in the morning, he will be in school. So it is time. He showed me this time how to do it. Then tomorrow we are going to use the same jiko for cooking. So I'm going to show you how this jiko lights, how to light this jiko and how to cook using this jiko tomorrow. Yes, daytime. That is when I'm going to use it. Welcome to the village life. Now we are done with this putting in the sawdust. Now it's time to cover. This is the cover of this jiko of the stove. And this is how we do it. Now you cover and then you remove these rods now. Now that is it. After removing, you have to ensure the hole that it's outside, it is well ventilated. It should be open. It should be a very good opening. So we will remove some of the sawdust so that it can make it a bigger hole. Yes. Yes, this is how it's supposed to be. The opening should be all the way to the base of the jiko. Yes. Good afternoon from the village. It is time, another day. We want to experiment on our sawdust jiko. We want to light it. I want to show you how this works now. You can see I've just taken some fire from the kitchen. Then you place it here, and then this fire will keep lighting just slowly by slowly. You don't need any pressure, no pressure. Just let it light slowly by slowly. Then after that, our jiko will be ready to cook. Now, right here, I have to put the firewood just down here where there was a small hole, this one. Now we put our firewood there. Now this jiko, the beauty and goodness of this jiko, you only use one firewood and it will cook a lot of food. It will cook many variety of food. It will cook anything you want to cook on that particular day or time. Yes, because this jiko will light for long. Yeah. As you can see, our jiko is ready. It's already lighting. Yes, I think you can see the flame if you are keen. Now it is ready to start cooking. Ah, you remember this head with her cheeks. Now she keeps on rotating at this place because we have her cheeks inside this cage. Yes. Now you can see this is our kitchen. It is small though. It serves the purpose. It only has one room. Yes, a space for cooking, and it has a space for firewood keeping and under firewood keeping. So there is a place where the chicken sleep. Yes, the chicken sleep. Some sleep on top of the firewood. It depends with their comfortability. Yes, there we are. Now, I want to boil some water. This water, we will use it to prepare our chicken. Yes, for today's supper. Mm. Okay, let me show you the chicken we want to eat. So we are trying to catch him here. This guy here is the one we are going to eat today. We got him. Now he will stay here for some time until our water boils. Yes, completely boil. All right, here we just finished slaughtering our chicken. Now it is time to prepare it. Now, the water that we were boiling, yes, now it is here hot. Then you take your chicken, you dip in, you wait for some 5 to 10 minutes. Then you start removing the feathers. Aha! Everyone in Kenya knows that the Luya community love chicken, and it is true. Yes, we love chicken because we are one of that tribe, of that community. So, this chicken in Luya community, it can make you lose your marriage. Yes. If you don't know how to prepare chicken and you don't know how to slice the chicken because they have the special ways of you are supposed to slice that chicken. If you don't follow those steps or those stages, you are not qualified to be a wife. In short, you are not enough to be a wife material of a lawyer man. Now, as Hallelujah, I'm going to take you through these stages. I hope you'll follow. Now, after dipping your chicken in that hot water, the first thing to remove is those skin of the legs or the feet of the chicken. And then you come to the beak. You remove the beak of the chicken, the cover of the beak. Yes, because in the village you consume like everything except the dirty that is inside the chicken. Yes. But every other parts are consumable. Then you start removing the feathers. Yes, that is how simple it is. After this, then you will go to another stage, which I'm going to take you through. As a lawyer lady, yeah? We call chicken ingoho. And you know what? Some old mothers still stick to those traditions. When you get married to their boma, they give you chicken to slaughter and do everything from the beginning to end. Now, after done with the feathers removal, you're supposed to place your ingoho or chicken on the fire. Yes. The essence of doing this, of heating this on fire, on the flame, is to remove the remaining feathers. Yes, because it should be clean, clean, totally clean. No feathers attached. Here is our partially roasted chicken. Now there's no feathers. It's so clean, as you can see. And it is time to start slicing this chicken. Now follow. Okay, in some of the homesteads in the village, they want you to slice their chicken like this. And they cook it the way it is. And some, they want you to slice more than this. So from here, you will know how to slice according to the number of your family. It depends, but most of the people like it this way. Yeah. So if you do it like this, you are ready to be a lawyer wife. And there we go. This is how sawdust cook. It cooks very well. Yes. And it cooked a lot of things. We also boiled water for drinking. Yes, we did a lot of things. We boiled water for the kids to shower. I tell you, this sawdust is magic. Ah, so if you love it, you can try it. Ah. just warming up our food for ready to serve our supper for today. All right, guys, thank you for following. And I forgot to take this video before we start digging into this food, but here is our final product. And thank you so much for your support. And please, let's continue supporting. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.